enjoyed more showings this past week than during the same week in 2019, but buyer showings are actually down 30% from 2021. Sellers are feeling the slowdown, and more than 50% made pricing adjustments this past week. It's Friday, August 19th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Be sure to subscribe to be alerted to what your real estate assets are doing in Maryland. Buyer demand remains moderate in the Maryland markets, which include the Baltimore metro area, the Eastern Shore, coastal, and Baltimore City is slower. Inventory rose 25.4% from last year at this same time. Homes are now staying on the market longer as there are fewer buyer contracts to reduce the inventory. However, new listings to the market are down. Let's take a look at the inventory movement for Maryland this past week. 922 properties are coming soon, reflecting a 10% fall from last week. 1,502 homes were listed for sale, down 13.3%. 733 went under contract, a 14.5% decrease. 1,409 are temporarily off the market, rising 1.14%. 1,126 went to pending, which reflects a 7.5% decline. 1,410 properties sold in an average of 25 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week sold was in Kenwood of Chevy Chase for $3,500,000. On the rental front, inventory rose to 1,729, holding fast at $2,400 per month median. Thinking about moving? Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for August 19th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend.